We got a bunch of different ingredients already set up. All these are sauteed for the most part. So I usually start with a spray, very important, so it doesn't get sticky. And from there, we get to the egg part. So we got 3 regulars right here. So I usually start out with the cheeses first so that they start to melt, right? So it gets real good texture. It's very important. You want a delicate
Very important.
All right.
Selling it.
Your right platter. Then just go down the line.
The omelet blog. Blog omelets. Look at those skills. Look at those skills. Look at those skills. Look at those cheese skills. Tomatoes, ham, bell peppers, mushrooms, sausage, potatoes, bacon, spinach on top. Make it a little healthy.
So the texture is very important, the shape of the omelet. The last thing that's very important is how you take it up. Very detailed. Now there's many different ways to do it, but if you want to be specialized, it's just a 1 spatula routine. Oh yeah, check this out.
Check it out.
Yeah, with one, 2 swipe, and that's what you call
Voila.
a beautiful omelet right there.
That is a big one, ladies and gentlemen. That is a big one. Look at that, look at that. That's it, that's how we do it. That's how we make 200 omelets in 2.5 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Alright.
So it's part of the art. You gotta know how to make it look appeasing, you know. People are gonna lavish over it. The mouths are gonna be starting to water. They want to come back every single time. In fact, yesterday we hit the record of 186.
186. How about that?
That's smooth. That's how you make omelets. You like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He sells it. He sells
So
it,
that's
yo.
how you do it. The omelet. Omelet King, Texas. There you go. We appreciate it. Maybe I'll even show you the other way sometime when I'm back home in Texas, alright?
Oh, that's right.
Oh, with the pan, with the cast iron skillet?
Yes, sir.
You do
Alright, that's my man right there, Mike. Say hi, Mike.
Yeah.
Yo, what up?
What's
What up,
up?
y'all?
What up, man?
Alright, we'll see y'all later.